Hello out there, everyone. Just thought you might want to see my realistic receiver. This is the Dx160. This thing was dead when I got it. I've had it for several years, never got around to working on it or fixing it. So finally I decided to go ahead and do it. And I replaced all the capacitors. Fortunately, I had the old style that I was able to replace with. These empty slots were mounted on the bottom. Had an old power supply, put a new power supply in it. Tuned it all in, everything. And what had happened to it, it wouldn't receive on a couple of the bands. So what I did was I went through and I reflowed all the joints, all the solder joints. On here, they were here, didn't need it. And I reflowed all the solder joints on here. As you can see, I've got them marked, which ones that I did. And anyway,
culturales que conmocionan el tejido social. Contundente posibilidad. Estimados amigos y queridos radioescuchas, muchas gracias por vuestra atención y espero que nuestra cita dominical se
you can bet that's Savannah, Cuba.
Hi, this is Mike Maloney, and I just finished the most comprehensive presentation that I've made in
It's always that's D-band.
la revolución, el balcón, único por sus hallazgos y extensiones, una plaza vieja, museos, la catedral, el paseo del Prado y la bodeguita del medio son algunos de los lugares insignes de esta ciudad.
I never hear anything on that band. I think I need to retune. That sucks. B band's dead again. That's the AM broadcast band. Well, it's not fixed all the way. Oh well, I'll have to work on it some more. Yeah, B-band's dead. Son of a gun. It's your AM broadcast band. Well, crap. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll get it up when I get the B-band back and running. Thanks for watching.